Hello guys, good morning. Bodyweight training tayo ulit. May strap para proteksyon sa ating mga wrists. Right. Medyo may edad na tayo kaya natin ang konting protection. Protection. Keep safe everyone. Mas galaw-galaw. Importante yan. Let's move our body. Move, exercise. Exercise tayo. Yan, sa mga nagda-diet, good na yan. Dagdagan nyo na ng exercise. Okay? Routine natin ngayon, push and pull. So mag-pull up tayo. Then, dips. Pulling action, good for your back. Okay, sa back. Yung dips, good yan for your shoulders, your triceps, and your chest. Okay? So, routine is 3 pull-ups, around 9 na dips, then active rest tayo. Active rest natin, jumping around 10-15 seconds. Okay? Let's go! Okay. 1 pull-up done. Ay, 1 set pala. 1 set of 3. Then, dips tayo. 9 repetitions. Go. Okay. 9 dips. Then, active rest. Around 10-15 seconds. Active rest. Shake. Okay. Round 2. Right. Let's go. Dips. Okay, 9. Then rest. Active rest tayo guys. Pwede naman mas mahaba ang rest. Nasa inyo yun. Take your time. Recover. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake. Round 3. Inhale. Exhale. Okay guys, take your time. Hindi naman to race. So, okay. Go. 9 repetitions. Ready. Go. And 9. Rest. Shake, shake. You don't have to rush. Walang namadali. Chill lang tayo. Shake, shake. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Round 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Recover. Important guys, recover. Para ma-execute natin properly ang exercise. Again, hindi tayo nag-race. It's all about the exercise. Ready? 9 repetitions and go! Okay. Rest and recover. Active rest tayo guys, active rest. So, jump lang maliliit. Skip lang. Shake. Shake, come on. Pwede mag-twist. Yan. Recover lang. Inhale. Exhale. Yan. At ganda may halaman sa paligid pag exercise. Bigyan nila tayo ng oxygen. Tayo magbigay ng carbon dioxide. Okay. Recover. Very important guys. Recover, ha? Again, no competition. Just exercise. Round 5. Ready? Go! Again, recover. Round 5 na tayo ngayon. Round 5. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo makabot. Okay. 9 repetitions. Ready, go! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew! Again, recover. Active rest. Jump. Inhale. Exhale. Shake. Ganyan na yung mga lactic acid. Yung nagpapasakit sa mga muscle natin. Lactic acid yan, guys. So, shake mo na yan. And then, inhale, exhale. Shake it off. Yeah. Round 6. recover. Inhale, exhale. Shake it off. Shake, shake. Okay. Another dips. Ready, go. Whew. Ay, feeling natin burn, guys. Shake mo lang yan. Shake, come on. Recover. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take advantage natin, guys, yung nature. Buti pero mga plants para fresh oxygen. Good for our body. Yung mga plants. So, ano lang, sharing lang. Kailangan nila ng carbon dioxide. Ito. Kailangan ko ng oxygen. So, sharing. Sharing is caring. Okay? So, for me, for the plants. For me, for the plants. For me, for the plants. Okay. Shake, shake. Okay. Round 7. Let's go. Bumibigat na. Come on. I-feel na yung burn. Come on. Hey. And go. Cover. Come on. Jump, jump. Inhale for the plants. For me, for the plants. Okay, 7 rounds na tayo. Sana makaabot tayo ng 10 rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, important, guys. Take your time to recover. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As much as possible, yung heart rate natin, mapababa natin. Okay? Kasi pag mataas ang heart rate, medyo mahirap mag-perform. Bigat. Shake-shake nyo para ma-release yung mga lactic acid na nabuo dyan. Ano? Shake-shake. Shake-shake and recover. Shake-shake and recover. Shake, and recover. Okay? Round 8. Let's go! Okay. Cover. Exhale. And go. Ooh. Can feel it. Ooh. Feel the burn. Shake, shake. Okay guys, very important ha. Recover, then active rest. Active rest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake, shake. Okay. Good morning sa ating 3 million viewers. Kayo ba, nakapag-exercise na? Exercise tayo. Galaw-galaw. Okay? Kailan natin iisipin mag-exercise? Yung hindi na tayo makakilos? Yung galing na tayong hospital? No. Exercise habang walang sakit. Okay? Ipawis natin. Palabas ang mga bad elements. Exhale ang bad elements. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpawis, i-exhale ang elements na bad. Okay. Round 9. Oh, kaya natin ito. Goal, 10 rounds. Ngayon, round 9. And 7. Go. Good morning sa ating 5 million followers. Come on. Exercise tayo. Let's go. And last one. Pabigat na ng pabigat, guys. Kaya na tayo. Next round is the last round. Kaya natin yan. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Active. Active rest. Come on. Okay ba? Nag-exercise na ba? Okay. Huwag kakalimutan mag-exercise. Every day. Very important yan. Let's exercise. Every day. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Active rest. Goal natin ha. 10 rounds. Come. Magla-last round na tayo. It's this. Okay. Tingin ko. Need more shaking, shaking. Okay. Nakapoy. Nakapoy ang mga muscles. Okay. Last round tayo. Going to the last round. And let's do this. Bumibigat na, guys. It's getting heavier. Pero padayon. Let's do this. That's it. 10 rounds, 3 pull-ups, 9 body dips. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.